what is the maximum number of rectangular components into which a vector can be split in space. Here we have to find components of a vector which should be perpendicular to each other and in 3 dimension. Space mean in 3 dimension. So in 3 dimension we have seen 3 direction, that is in 3D, or we can say in 3 dimensions we have 3 axes, that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So these 3 axes are perpendicular to each other, or we can say mutually perpendicular to each other. For a vector in space or in 3 dimension, we can divide it into 3 parts. First one, ax I cap. I cap is indicating the direction of x-axis, and another component it's taken as ay j cap. J cap is indicating direction of y. Here we can easily see I cap and j cap are perpendicular to each other. So these two can represent the component, or we can say rectangular component of a vector, but these are in one plane, that is xy plane. If we talk about 3 dimension or space, we will use third axis, that is z axis, and for that we have considered k cap. For representing z axis we are using k cap. So we can see in 3 dimension we can use 3 components which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Here ax, ay and az are components of a vector in x, y and z direction, means in perpendicular directions. So we can say for a vector to be split in different parts which should be perpendicular to each other, that is vectors having rectangular components in 3 dimensions, that is answer of this question is 3. Thank you.